Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? How are your education going on? Okay students, I am Miss Shazin Nisar and I will teach you English from today onwards. Open your book of English. Go to page number 67. Today's topic is at the zoo. Okay? So let's start reading. Put your finger on your first line, that is I like to see zoo animals. I often visit the zoo with my family. There are many animals: lions, elephant, giraffe, and monkeys in the zoo. Lions are very fierce animal. They roar. Their roar scares me. I think an elephant is a big and beautiful animal. It has a lovely long trunk and two white tusks. The elephant trumpets loudly. Big brown bears look good in their cage. They have shaggy coats and strong claws. Zebras look nice. They look like lion, donkey, chattering, and climbing monkey look funny. Deer are beautiful. They have horns. They look like lambs with horns. Dancing peacock look beautiful. I also like giraffe. They have spotted skin and long neck. I do not like snake. They hiss and seem frightening. Okay, student, this is the reading of your chapter. You have to read after me when you are listening to me. So, your next task is you have to write difficult words that are given below on your notebook. Okay, what you have to done? You have to write difficult words. Difficult words that I have written over here. First word is animal. 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 Second word is visit. Okay. Third word is elephant. Elephants. Elephants. Fourth word is giraffe. 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 Fifth word is fierce. 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 Sixth word is roar. 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 Seventh word is scarce. Scares. Scarce. Eighth word is trunk. 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 Ninth word is tusks. 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 Tenth word is trumpet. Trumpets. 11th word is shaggy. 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 12th word is chattering. 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 13th word is climbing. 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 14th word is funny. 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 15th word is horns. 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 16th word is beautiful. 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 17th word is spotted. 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 18th word is hiss. 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 19th word is Seem. S-E-E-M. Seem. 20th word is frightening. 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 Okay, student, what you have to do in this lecture, you have to write all these difficult words on your notebook neatly and nicely. Okay, first you have to draw your margin, then put date over there, day over there, and classwork over there. And after that, you have to write a topic. What is today's topic is at the zoo. Okay, then you have to write activity. What is activity is going on the dictation word. You have to write dictation word. Then you have to write all these 20 word. Okay, so your next task is you have to write meaning of the difficult word. Okay, so topic will be at the zoo and activity will be words and meanings. Okay, so words are given over here and meaning are also given over here. You have to write it on your notebook neatly and nicely. So first word is visit, meaning short trip. Fierce, cruel. Roar, loud sound made by animals. Scarce, afraid. Lovely, pretty. Trunk, noise of elephant. Okay, so tusk, teeth of elephants. Trumpets, loud noise made by elephants. Shaggy, rough, thick hair. Chattering, talking sound of monkey. Climbing, going up. Funny, comic. Horns, bony outgrowth on the head of animals. And the last word is spotted, means having spots. Okay, this is your next task. You have to write words meaning. Okay, so now the next task is on the book page 68. Okay, topic will be the same over here at the zoo, chapter 17. Activities match the sound with the animals. Note what the note is given over here that I have given to you. Do the given activity on the book page 68. This activity you have to do it on your book. Okay, so question is match the sound with the animals. Sounds are given over here. So you have to write the sound that belong to the animal. First animal is dog. Okay, so dog sound is bark. Cat, purr. Goat, bleat. Frog, croak. Animal, trumpet. Snake, hiss. Horses, neigh. Lion, roar. Duck, quack. And monkey, chatter. Okay, this is the sound that animals make. You have to do all these tasks and you have to send it to me in Google Classroom. Okay, I will assign the task to you over there and you have to do your task and make that picture and return it to me. Okay, if you have any problem in turning on, I have made a video on it and uploaded in the YouTube channel, and our YouTube channel name is Brilliance International Education System. Okay, so you have to go over there and you have to check it over there. After checking it over there, if you have facing any issue, you can contact me. Okay, or even you can WhatsApp me. Okay, in WhatsApp group. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.